This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Malene, Cuizon and Janice Johnson. Wonderful family home sits on over 20 acres west/mature fruit trees and stock pond located on the back of the property. Home has abundance living space for large family, open floor plan, fireplace, large eat-in kitchen, huge deck on rear of the house for entertainment, storm cellar and master's bedroom, new paint inside, new kitchen flooring, new patio door leading to deck, nice size storage building with concrete floors and electricity, ref to convey, mineral rights does not convey. Sold ASIS. No SBD. For more information, review the details below.